Hi Beauty Smarties, it's Maria. As you may already know, Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so I thought it would be super fun to come up with 3 easy to create hairstyles for whether you're hanging out with a boo or just chilling with the girls. But before we get started, make sure to send us those X's and O's by subscribing to 17's YouTube channel down below, and let's get right into it. To create these 3 hairstyles, I used hair ties, bobby pins, hairspray, brushes, and hair elastics. This first hairstyle is a classic low side bun. This would be a great choice if you're planning to dress up because it adds just the right amount of elegance. I'm starting this hairstyle with my hair parted down the right side, and I'll section off this piece of hair. We'll get back to it later. Next, I'm brushing the rest of my hair into a sleek low side ponytail. To build the bun, I just wrapped my hair around the base of the ponytail, and to keep the bun in place, I just added some bobby pins. Here's a little hack. You can hairspray your bobby pin before you put it in so it does not go anywhere. So I'm gonna go back to that loose portion of hair that we sectioned off in the beginning, and I'm gonna just wrap it around the bun, and I'm gonna secure it with bobby pins. This is just gonna help frame the face and add a nice touch to the bun. And ta-da! There you have it, the perfect low side bun, effortless and romantic. This second hairstyle is a crossover low ponytail, the perfect layback hairdo if you're just planning to stay out and chill with the besties. I'm gonna start this hairstyle with my hair parted down the middle. I'll leave 2 pieces sectioned off at the front. Next, I'll gather the back section of the hair into a low ponytail using an elastic. I'm gonna hairspray the front sections of hair to lay down any flyaways. Then I'll take one hair and cross it over the hair elastic towards the other side and secure in place with a bobby pin. I'll repeat the same step with the other section of hair. The trick is to really tuck in the bobby pins so that they are nearly invisible. And now you're ready to kick it with your besties on Valentine's Day with this no-fuss hairdo. Now we're moving on to the braided top knot, which is perfect for any Valentine's Day plans. From the elegant to the more laid-back dates, you'll be set. You want to begin this look by gathering your hair into a high, sleek ponytail. Make sure to brush your hair down as much as possible to tame any hair bubbles and flyaways. I use 2 different brushes to really get in there. Now you can divide your ponytail into 2 sections and braid each section all the way down using elastics to secure them. It might look a little funny, but trust me, it'll come together later. Now we're ready to start creating the top knot. So to do this, you're gonna wrap the braids around each other in opposite directions until they are entirely wrapped all the way around. And next, you guessed it, we're gonna use some bobby pins to make sure that those braids are not going anywhere. This look is super easy and super simple, and it's perfect for any last-minute Valentine's Day plans. Nobody will know you only took 5 minutes to do this. And there you have it, 3 easy to create Valentine's Day hairstyles. Let me know in the comment section and down below which of the 3 hairstyles was your favorite. And also, don't forget on your way out to subscribe to 17's YouTube channel for more fun, beauty, and fashion content. And I'll see you Beauty Smarties on the next one. Bye!